Today's craft is super easy and it just has a few items for the Dollar Tree. And this is my spin on Christmas in July. I'm going to take this plaque, spritz some water on it, and then add some chocolate paint. This is Chocolate by Wise Owl. And I'm just allowing the paint to go into that moisture, and it's going to thin it out, and then it's going to be more like a stain versus a paint. I'm going to cover the entire plaque, and then you can either take a baby wipe or a paper towel and wipe the paint and the water back. Then I found this lantern also at the Dollar Tree. It has a little light inside, very cute. And I'm going to paint the exterior in our black using a very small dabber. You can get these dabbers also at the Dollar Tree. I placed my lantern in the center of my plaque for measuring purposes, and I found some greenery that I'm going to staple just along the back edge. Then I'm going to paint the bottom of my lantern, and I grabbed these little wooden beads and I'm painting them in black as well, and I have a total of 4. And I'm going to glue these to the bottom of my lantern, giving it legs. And the purpose is so that I could put my finger under the lantern and turn the light on and off. And it also is kind of a cute addition. And then I'm going to glue this to the center of my plaque. And then I had these little berries with these twists, so you could just twist it on branches. And I just put one in the front and one in the back side. I had this velour red ribbon. You can get this usually at Home Goods once the Christmas season starts to come. They have them in spools. And I just made a bow and added some of the ribbon to the center. Very basic bow. Just using some hot glue to hold everything together. And then I'm going to glue this to the top of my lantern. And then I had some jingle bells, very tiny ones. You can get these at the Dollar Tree once the season starts. And I added a couple to the top of my lantern. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at ChalkItUpFancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, don't forget our cutouts. And if you want to be part of our subscription box, go sign up on the waiting list so you can be notified when that reopens. And have a great day. Thanks so much for watching.